Turning your engine 30V40. Turning good. At the front engine looks good, as you can see, but plastics cover was broken. Compressor, nice. Some smell like altimeter. And on this side, everything's good. Engine without any damage. This one is starting. Starting unbroken. All pipes inside. Looks good. Put this one on the gearbox. Everything nice. We have computer engine. And on this side, engine's looking good. Engine's turbo, no broken. And on the top, all connectors without any damage. On the bottom, oil sump without any cracks, no leaks. And turning your engine 30V40.